Alright, so welcome back to the course. In this little section, I'm going to show you the templates that Printful uses to tell you how your artwork will look on the product. So like I've mentioned before, each product is different and the types of artwork that you want to use for each product is different, so it's really important to keep that in mind. And even when you're looking at things like t-shirts, they obviously carry quite a few different types of t-shirts, so it's really important to take a look at the template for the specific item that you want to use, just to make sure that everything lines up well, that your artwork won't be too small or too big or something like that. So just real quick, I will show you what the templates look like. They give them in a few different file types, as you can see, which is super useful, especially if you're making it yourself, but also if you're getting someone else to make it, you can hand them these files so that they know how it needs to be. So this is a great option, you know, for a t-shirt, for a tank top. I believe this is for a all-over design, so this is where it would be printed. They give you all sorts of instructions here for how that needs to be. So if you're getting something made, you know, I'm sure your designer will know how to make something for these specific dimensions. So the all-over designs can be a little bit trickier, as you can see, because it has to cover the t-shirt in a specific way. So that's just something to keep in mind. Basic t-shirts or basic things like mugs or the front of a tote bag are going to be much simpler. You're just going to have a maximum print area, and this is where the item will show up, or the design will show up on your item. So for me, you know, with a little quote or something, it usually comes up right about here, or depending on how big it is, and it's a pretty good option to go. You do have the option on some shirts to print on the back too, so keep that in mind. So yeah, that is something to keep in mind as you're getting these designs made. Like I said, for some designs, especially ones that are simple, you can often just use one print file for all of your products. So I've used, for example, one print file for t-shirts and then the same print file for different mugs and tote bags. So that makes things really simple. It's going to be a little bit trickier if you have artwork that goes all over a t-shirt or all over a mug or something like that. So just keep in mind these specifications can be really important to getting good quality products. Alright, so that's it for this section. In the next section, I will be covering how to get your product set up in Printful, the nitty-gritty of how all of that works. So see you there.